actually wasn't going to be recording this soap, but this is the only soap that I'm going to be making this month because it's just a crazy busy month and lots of things going on. This is going to be a mandala design, and I'm going to be doing an inlaid design with this. So there's many different ways of doing this, but I'm going to be doing it with the soap first, then removing some of the surface to do an inlaid design with it. I am going to be doing it's going to take me several days to get this done, but I'm going to be doing 12 individual bars of soap. Let me grab my mold here. I've got this. I haven't used this mold before, so I'm going to have to kind of play with the amounts to see exactly what I need to fill that up. But today I'll be doing 12 different bars of soap. I'm going to be using activated charcoal, so I'll have a nice black background, and put them in the oven to oven process cold. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Cold process, oven process. I'm going to do that. And then once they're good and set up, I'll take them out, and then I will put the design. I'll do 3 of each one of these, and then I will do the inlaid part. And I think I'm going to pour that part. So we'll get there when I get there. I've got a couple days to figure out kind of the colors and things that I want to do. I have some ideas, but I'll kind of hammer that out in the next few days. And also kind of depends on how that goes with the scraping out and all of that. I haven't done that before, so we'll see how that goes. I'm going to be using 4 different fragrances. All of these are from stock fragrance. I have blackberry sage, grapefruit shiso, if I'm saying that correctly, eglantine, which is a kind of a rose, kind of a citrus rose scent, and then magnolia, which I think this is really more citrus as well. The thing about these 4 is they all accelerate, and they accelerate pretty severely. So I'm going to be pouring every single one of these soaps in fragrance stick individually. So I'll make my main batter and add the activated charcoal, and then I will pour off every single bar, fragrance every single one, and then pour it into the mold. So working with naughty fragrances is not much fun, but you can still get the job done. I'll just have to work really, really fast with that. If there's any batter left over, I have some round molds that I'll use to fragrance, and then I'll make felted soaps or something with that. Now, with the other portion of the soap, when I come back in a couple days, I went ahead and made my 20 bar recipe, and I just pulled out, this is enough oils to do 12 bars. I have the other 8 over there. I will use that to do the colors, and whatever's left over, I'll just make more bars, round bars, and I may color those. And then I'll have extra ones to do the mandala design too, if I decide to do that. But these are going to be square. So I have everything set out, ready to go. Let me grab my gloves and my goggles and get started. I'm going to do a little change of gears here. The ones that I had carved out are taking an insane amount of time, and I'm not going to end up doing the other 6. So this design, this took me over 10 minutes to do one of them. This one took me half an hour. Those little squigglies, can't do them, and I add extra holes. Same thing with these, were closer to the 10-15 minute mark, but it just is taking way too long to get those done. So the final ones, I have the stencils, and I've done this before with some holiday ones, but I'm going to go ahead and use some soap dough. You can see I did these 2 already, and then I will paint the tops of the mica, so at least I'll have these done. So I'm going to go ahead, finish doing these with the soap dough, leftover soap dough here. I'll record one of those, and then I'll come back when it's time to fill these up. So hopefully I'll get that all done today.